Hello everyone, welcome to today's presentation on AI in agriculture, improving farming with smart technology. I am Anisha. So what exactly is AI? AI or artificial intelligence simply means machines that can think and learn. In farming, AI is used to make smart decisions and help farmers improve to their work. Why use AI in farming? It saves time and money. It helps grow more food. It reduces the use of water and chemicals. And most importantly, it helps farmers work better and more efficiently. AI tools in agriculture. There are several AI tools that are making a big difference in agriculture. Sensors check soil and water condition. Drones take aerial picture of field. Robots help with their plant and harvesting. And the app shows the health of crops in real time. Crop monitoring. AI is excellent for crop monitoring. It can detect crop disease earlier, so exactly where to water or spray, and ensure plant growth healthy. Soil and water usage. AI also help with soil and water management. It is soil quality and use smart irrigation system that give water only when needed. This is not only saves water but also improves growth, crop growth. Livestock monitoring. AI is not just for crops, it also helps with livestock. It can monitor animals' health, send alert if an animal is sick, and even automate feeding and milking. Real life example. Some real world example of AI in agriculture include John Deere's smart tractor that can operate automatically. The Planters app which detects plant disease using photos and Blue River robot which spray only on beds instead of entire field. Benefits and challenges. So what are the benefits? AI help produce more food with less effect and ensure better use of water and fertilization. But there are also challenges. The technology can be expensive and farmers need internet access and training to use it efficiently. Conclusion. To conclude, AI is making farming smarter. It helps farmer growth more with fewer resources. AI is not just a trend, it is the future of the agriculture. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on technology and invoice station.